Welcome to our webinar on solutions for I/O flexibility and cloud integration. Our focus will be the technologies associated with I/O, and then we will delve into a few real life integration examples. My name is Erica O'Hara, and I'll be your presenter today. Today, we're going to discuss the modern approach to control systems, which is all about getting more power and flexibility from smaller packages. Our presentation, Compact Solutions for I/O Flexibility and Cloud Integration, will cover 6 key topics. We'll start with the introduction, laying out the modern challenges that engineers and manufacturers face today. Next, we'll dive into the power of compact controllers, explaining why size is no longer a limit to capability. Then we'll see how our solutions help you in achieving ultimate I/O flexibility so you can easily adapt to any machine or system. Following that, we'll address the critical topic of seamless cloud connectivity, how to easily move your operation data to the cloud for analysis and insights. We'll put it all into perspective with a practical case study. Finally, we'll wrap up with our conclusion and a QA session where I'll be happy to answer your questions. ICP DAS was founded in 1993 in Hsinchu, Taiwan, specializing in industrial automation and data acquisition solutions. In 2001, ICP DAS USA was established to expand our global presence and better serve the North American market. We are committed to providing fast service, free technical support, quick shipping, and reliable products backed by a warranty. Our products are Row House compliant and ISO 9001-15 certified, ensuring the highest quality standards for industrial applications. The modern industrial network is undergoing 3 major transformations that demand our attention. Faster performance. We are moving to high-speed industrial Ethernet to handle the massive volume of edge data, enabling both real-time control and advanced analytics. Better convergence. The network is the bridge for OT-IT convergence. We use edge computing to process data locally, ensuring a smart, efficient flow of operational data to the enterprise level. Larger scale. As the number of IIoT devices grow, our solutions must manage the complexity and provide robust legacy integration to connect old equipment with the new expansive network architectures. These 3 shifts, speed, smart integration, and scalability, are what our compact controllers are built to handle. The core challenge is simple. Data is trapped. Our industrial sites are full of reliable but older legacy devices. PLCs and sensors are still using serial protocols like Modbus RTU. The critical challenge is securely connecting this lockdown operational technology, OT, data to modern information technology, IT, systems like the cloud and SCADA. We need a secure bridge to move that valuable OT data to the IT system for analysis and optimization. This is where our seamless cloud solutions come in. So the challenge is clear. We have old serial devices and a demand for modern IT systems. Our strategy for bridging the gap centers on 3 points. We acknowledge the data explosions at the edge. This huge volume of data is forcing the essential need for true IT convergence, getting operational data from PLCs to the cloud securely and efficiently. The difficulty lies in legacy integration. Our solutions must be smart enough to translate modern cloud protocols into those decades-old standards like Modbus and Beacon. The way we overcome bandwidth and latency limits is through the edge computing. By embedding logic and data processing directly into our controllers, we put the intelligence closer to the source. This allows us to process data locally and only send critical summarized information to the enterprise level. This combined strategy of convergence, translation, and edge intelligence is what delivers the seamless cloud connectivity you need. Our compact solutions, specifically our gateways like the TGW715 and our field bus gateways, are the direct answer to these challenges. They provide a simple solution for legacy hardware integration into modern networks. Let's review the three transformations and see how our gateway play a role. For faster performance, our gateways and controllers ensure you can transition to high-speed industrial Ethernet. They act as an on-ramp, ensuring your data is ready for real-time control and high-level analytics. For better convergence, the gateways serve as a secure backbone. They are a device that manages the edge computing, handling the local intelligence before securely transmitting that refined data to your IT systems. And finally, for the larger scale and integration challenge, the TGW715 specifically helps bridge the gap to new hardware and expand your network as your IIoT device count grows. Our field bus gateways are the key to legacy integration. They speak those older, distinct protocols, allowing all your reliable existing equipment to communicate seamlessly toward that common goal of automation and optimization. We talked about the challenges, data volume, legacy integration, and the need for speed. The device that solves all this is our compact edge controller, exemplified by our WISE series. The industrial landscape demands modern and powerful computing power. This is the shift from centralized processing to data intelligence, removing the intelligence closer to the process. Our WISE controllers deliver PC-level computing power in a miniature, highly integrated, and rugged form factor. They are intelligent points that capture massive data volumes right at the source and that analyze that data locally and responds instantly. The WISE series is the secure, high-performance foundation for your next-generation industrial network. It is the core device that makes true OT-IT convergence possible. Our ICP DAS USA edge controllers like the WISE 2841M deliver true computing power right where you need it. We combine a rugged, fanless industrial design with a powerful quad-core ARM CPU to deliver essential edge computing. This means decision-making happens instantly at the machine site, eliminating latency. But the real advantage is simplicity. We use a built-in web-based interface for control logic. Your staff, even without programming expertise, can implement power automation rules with using simple if then else statements. This provides immediate real-time responsiveness and removes the need of external integrators. If your network connection drops, the WISE controller keeps your process running safely. It's powerful, smart, and incredibly easy to use. Beyond the local control, the WISE controllers are built as secure communication gateways, making them essential for seamless data sharing across the IIoT landscape. Our controllers feature native support for all critical industrial and IT protocols, including MQTT, OPC, UA, and Modbus. This protocol support ensures your data transmission is standardized, secure, and encrypted from the source. They act as powerful data concentrators, meaning they don't just dump raw data into the cloud. Instead, they filter and process information, sending only the essential information directly to your enterprise systems or major cloud platforms like Microsoft, Azure, or Amazon Web Services. The WISE series provides the secure, intelligent pipe you need to finally leverage your factory data for business optimization. Next, let's talk about scalability. The edge controllers are the fundamental building blocks for massive IIoT networks. They simplify the control of larger systems by managing and integrating a wide variety of both new and legacy I/O modules, Decon and Modbus, all locally. By handling data acquisition, logic, and pre-processing at the edge, they simply reduce the communication load and latency on your central network. You just set, require, and essential sensors, data, and and statuses. This distributed intelligence is essential for scaling up. Operators can effectively monitor, configure, and manage literally thousands of remote controllers and all their connected devices through our ICP-USA central platform, the IoT cloud management software. The Y series gives you the power to start small and scale with limits. ICP-USA gateways serve as a powerful high-performance protocol converters, universal translators for industrial networks. They seamlessly convert data from traditional fieldbus standard like Modbus, CAN Open, or Profibus into modern industrial Ethernet protocols such as Ethernet IP or EtherCAT, creating a unified network backbone. Key benefits are legacy system integration, connect and extend the life of existing equipment without costly upgrades or replacements, simplified data collection, standardized communication across all devices from legacy PLCs to smart sensors for easier, more efficient data management. By using ICP-USA's gateways to access and manage data from legacy equipment and across multiple networks, edge controllers gain full visibility of the entire operation. Information once logged in isolated or proprietary system is now unified into a single connected data environment. The consolidated data enables real-time analysis, immediate insight for faster, smarter decision-making, predictive maintenance, early detection of issues to reduce downtime, industrial IoT integration, a seamless flow of information from the factory floor to the enterprise level for true digital transformation. The final step in maximizing the power of compact edge controllers is enabling secure, effortless connectivity between factory floor operations and enterprise or cloud system. ICP-USA's WISE web-inside smart engine controllers excel at bridging the gap between operational technology, OT, and information technology, IT, ensuring smooth data flow from edge to cloud. Built as native IoT gateways, WISE controllers come pre-equipped with the protocols and tools needed for modern cloud integration, delivering frictionless, reliable, and scalable connectivity for true Industry 4.0 applications. ICP-USA's WISE edge controllers are purpose-built for secure, effective, efficient, and scalable industrial IoT connectivity. They combine robust data handling with direct cloud integration to simply enterprise-wide management. Core capabilities, native MQTT OPC UA support, secure lightweight communication for reliable real-time data transmission, direct cloud integration seamlessly connect to major platforms like Microsoft Azure and AWS, no middleware required. Centralized cloud management with IoT Star software, users can remotely monitor and manage thousands of WISE controllers from one interface. Edge data processing and security. Data is filtered, aggregated, and encrypted before transmission, optimizing bandwidth use, lowering costs, and ensuring data protection. Now let's go over some how seamless cloud connectivity works using our WISE series and power meters as an example. The diagram illustrates how ICP-USA's WISE and PMC controllers collect data from field devices using RS-485 and Ethernet Modbus RTU TCP connections. These controllers send the gathered data securely over the internet or 3G network to provide to private or public clouds such as Microsoft Azure, AWS, or IBM Bluemix. Once in the cloud, the IoT Star platform manages, monitors, and controls devices remotely, supporting tasks like firmware updates and system maintenance. The collected data is stored in a central database where it can be accessed and analyzed using public tools like Power BI, IndySoft, or Google Data Studio, enabling visualization, reporting, and deeper operational insights. Now let's move from theory to practice with a real-world case study and more examples to come. This diagram shows how ICP data solutions create a full connected industrial IoT ecosystem from the sensor layer where data is collected by field devices to the edge computing layer where WISE, PNC, and PMD controllers process and manage that data. The information then flows to the cloud infrastructure platform like Microsoft Azure, AWS, IBM Cloud, or Google Cloud, and into PaaS services such as IoT Star for device management and data visualization. Finally, the application layer, the SaaS, enables advanced analytics, reporting, and smart applications for energy management, smart factories, and more. This architecture demonstrates how ICP DAS USA bridges every layer of IIoT from sensors to enterprise systems, enabling true digital transformation. This is a conceptual diagram showing the capabilities of the WISE Edge controllers in action. Data could be read from the devices which communicate using Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, and QTT. Then from the edge controller, it could publish data to the cloud, share data to external monitoring devices, send out alarm and statuses, as well as provide complex controls and control scheduled operations. This is a real life community fire alarm system. This is actual architectural from a school administration complex in Taiwan. Our factory engineers planned the entire system at the building phase. It provides input from smoke detectors, fire alerts, and also notification to fire departments and staff for quick response. This new industrial model is based on a three-part integration designed for local control, comprehensive data acquisition, and strategic cloud-level optimization. So compact edge controllers, Y series, these deliver real-time local automation and high-performance computing directly at the source for immediate responsiveness. Field bus gateways. These ensure ultimate I/O flexibility by acting as universal translators, unifying diverse legacy networks like Profibus and Modbus RTU into a single cohesive data backbone. Seamless cloud connectivity, the WISE controller securely pushes standardized actionable data via protocols like MQTT, OPC, UA to strategic cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, closing the loop for high-level analysis and optimization. This architecture transforms complex industrial environments into a streamlined, intelligent ecosystem by combining localized control, comprehensive data, and secure future-proof connectivity. All right, we've explored some cloud integration solutions and how ICP DAS USA provides a comprehensive suite of hardware and software solutions to empower initiatives. From intelligent data and acquisition at the edge to secure cloud connectivity, we've covered a lot of ground. So now I'd be happy to open the floor for any questions you may have regarding the topics we discussed or any specific applications you're considering. So this concludes our I/O flexibility and cloud integration. Our contact information is joining us, and enjoy the rest of your day. And thank you for on data centers. So I hope you can join us then. Thank you.